All right, I just finished installing this beautiful garden path. I'm super proud of it. We did it on the cheap with molds and concrete, just bagged concrete you get from Home Depot. It's gonna make it real easy for our two little girls to get down to their play structure, to the lower garden. Let me show you how I did it. I'm gonna dig down today about an inch path all the way down. So I'm gonna make it, this together is about 34 inches. I'm gonna do a whole meter. I'm just gonna use a meter. I'm gonna go 36 inches all the way down here. It's warm, so it's gonna get sweaty, but it'll be worth it again. Like I said, let's do it. This is what I decided to go with. We're gonna make Quikrete. It's a quick setting concrete, and these are molds. I bought a 2-pack. So the idea is you set your mold where you want it to be. You mix your concrete, then you just kind of spoon it in there and flatten it out and just go, keep going. So by trial and error here, I discovered I want the mix to be a little bit wetter than I at first thought before I'd make it pretty dry, but here it works a lot better wet. All right, it's looking good. Started off moving slow, but now that I got the hang of it, I feel like it's gonna move a lot faster. I dig it. Gotta move fast. This kind of concrete, sets up really quick. I dug down about an inch or two so that this could sit flush with the ground. All right, so this concrete sets quick. I can probably pull this one off. I'm gonna be real careful. Go for the corners. And it pops right out. Since it sets so quickly, you really have to wash your mold immediately, or else the next batch will stick to it. All right, let's remove this one, grab opposite corners, really slowly. Wiggle, gotta wiggle it a little bit. Right, that's the last piece. All right, it's time for the jointing sand. Last step. Let's fill in the cracks and get it to set, make this more stable and look better. All right, this looks so much better already. So cool. I probably will come back with one more bag and do one more layer to fill in little cracks. But this is looking dope. Looking exactly like what I wanted it to do. Very cool. I enlisted the help of my girl to help me mulch. Ready to spread some straw?
Then why do we have to?
Because it's gonna look pretty, it's gonna keep the weeds away, so if this is covering the ground, there won't be any weeds popping up. It'll keep the ground moist so that the plants we do want can keep all their water.
And when we come outside, the sun could shine into it.
And it'll look pretty, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start doing it. Big handful and shake it all over the place.
It's kind of hard for me because I have really crazy.
You did a lot. Thank you, Amy. High five.
Can you see me on thing?
Yeah, let me pick up my trash. All right, I think our garden path is complete. And it's all for her, or partially for her. What do you think about it, G?
I love it.
It's gonna make getting to your new toy easier, huh?
Yeah.
This is pretty cool, huh? What do you got there, flowers? All right, I love you, sweetie.
I love you too.